Hey guys, what's up? It's Quantum FPV here, and today we're going to be doing a little flying video. So here's Jeff, and guess what's on top of it? Yeah, that's a GoPro mount. I designed it myself. I have honestly no idea if it's going to work, if it's going to fly, because Jeff is a 3-inch, and 3 inches aren't designed to carry GoPros. That's why products like the RunCam Split exist. But I'm feeling a little bit risky. And besides, I have seen what Jeff can do. I think that it'll be fine. You guys are going to see how fast this thing is, or at least a watered-down version of it very soon. Coming up in about 10 seconds. So I hope you guys enjoy the flight footage. Let me know in the comments, do you think it flew well? Do you think it didn't fly well? Okay, there's a bug on me. Hey there, bug. Alright, conclusion time. Let's see here. No, it did not fly well at all. But what did you expect? I mean, the entire thing weighs around 240 grams with the battery. So when you put a GoPro on there, you're increasing the weight by about 50%. And that's pretty significant. As you guys heard in the flight footage, the jitters are unbearable. I can assure you that those jitters are not there without the GoPro. I mean, that would be expected though. So I popped the GoPro off, and even with this mount on there that probably weighs 10 grams, maybe a little less, it flew just like it normally did. And I had trouble controlling it because it felt so much lighter and so much faster. So in my opinion, can a 3-inch fly with a GoPro? Yeah, yes it can. Can it fly well? Yeah, yes it can. But I would not recommend the 4100 kV motors, because if I wanted this to fly well with a GoPro, I would need to crank up the D gain and turn down the P gain a ton. Might have to disable another filter, and that would mean the motors would get very hot. So I think those motors just draw too many amps to handle the PID loop that would be needed to control this beast. So yeah, I mean, if you have the 3600 kV tornadoes, or if you just constantly fly full throttle with the 4100 kVs, and that's going to get the best cooling for you, then yeah, I mean, go for it. I'll leave a link to this GoPro mount in the description if you want to print it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the flight footage. I'll try and make it look good. I don't know how good I can make it look, but see you guys later.